Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video finally we are going to build our application. Okay, so you have not watched my previous videos, so please watch that video. In that video we have covered the whole procedure to make this application. Okay, and finally we are going to launch this application, and also we are going to resolve all the issues occurring during building the application. Okay, so let's see. So I have launched that application, and as you can see, Gradle building procedure is running now. So let's wait for a minute. I can't skip that procedure because if I skip, then most of the people going to face a lot of difficulties, because I have not run and tested that application in that 3 or 4 videos. So this video going to be a very short video. Okay, so as you can see here, I got my first error. So let's resolve this error. Okay, so let's first see where we got that error. So as you can see here, I got a reference must start with @. So if you have watched my home screen video, then you got the idea that I have given a wrong ID. Okay, when I was trying to constrain the recycler view with my top search section. Okay, so we will got error, and we are unable to constrain that recycler view with the top search section. So this is the main reason why we got that error. So let's resolve that error. Okay, so we have to open our home page first, and then we have to annotate that ID with @+ID /, and after that we have to give the ID. But in that section we don't have means we don't write like that. We just simply write our ID name. We have not annotated that ID with @ means @+ID. Okay, that's why we got that error. Okay, so let's resolve that error. Now guys, let's move on our next error. So as you can see here, we got a new error. So I think we are facing this error because of some Gradles missing in our application. So let's copy from my Cocktail app. So if you don't or if you are facing to find all this dependency, then you can simply visit on my repository, and you can get a reference from any of my repository, and just simply copy all the dependency from that repository, because I simply use all the same dependency in every project. Okay, so if you wish, you can do it like that. Okay, or if you try, means if you can find, then you can do it also. So let's give the dependency version. Okay, let's define it, and after that let's sync it, and let's try it once again, rebuild this project, and I hope now will not get the same error. Let's wait for Gradle building procedure finished. I think this should work. Oh no, we got the same error once again, and we have not make any singleton for our classes. Okay, so I think we should get I think we should try to find this error on Stack Overflow. Okay, because I have implement all my dependencies, and okay, so let's copy that error and paste it on Google search, and after that we'll got a reference from Stack Overflow, and let's try to find the solution over there. And I think our the life cycle dependency has been deprecated for a new version in the dependency injection. Okay, so let's comment it and try to rebuild it again, and I hope this should work now. Okay, so let's start our Android emulator, means mirror, you can say. Okay, it will simply mirror our Android phone screen onto the desktop, and yeah, we are now successfully launched the application. As you can see here, we have built a very basic and very powerful application. Okay, so we have our home page, we have our notification, we have our profile, and everything as we have designed. Okay, and this is the onboarding page, and if we click on our home page, as you can see here, we redirect to our home page. Okay, so we will fix all these things in our upcoming videos, and in our next video we are going to do all these things, means we are going to now implement our networking part, and after that we will focus on designing part. Okay, we will fix all these things and try to organize all these things according to our wireframe. Okay, so for now don't worry about this. Okay, once we are finished with our networking part, because that is the most important part. And guys, one more thing I want to mention in this project, I want to integrate a payment gateway with this project. So if you guys if you guys want to integrate a payment gateway with this project, please comment down below and I will try to integrate. And there are three options: PayPal or Razorpay or Paytm payment gateway. Okay, so comment down below which you want, and I will try to provide video on that topic also with this application. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.